Welcome to Roam Tips. If you're finding this information useful, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below, and remember, this is based on my personal experience with the service. Mega.io offers a generous free tier, providing a substantial amount of storage space without requiring any payment. This makes it a very attractive option for individuals seeking a cloud storage solution for personal files, especially large ones. However, users should be aware of certain limitations that come with the free plan. For instance, transfer quotas can be restrictive, potentially impacting how frequently or how much data you can upload and download within a specific time frame. This might become noticeable if you're working with very large files or frequently syncing large amounts of data. Despite these limitations, the free tier's ample storage capacity makes it a compelling proposition for many users. It's a fantastic entry point for experiencing Mega's features and deciding whether to upgrade to a paid plan for increased transfer allowances. Mega prides itself on its end-to-end encryption, which enhances the privacy and security of your stored data. This feature ensures that only you, with your decryption key, can access the information you upload to their servers. This adds a significant layer of protection compared to cloud storage providers without end-to-end encryption. With Mega, you can be more confident that your files are safe from unauthorized access, even from Mega themselves. This focus on security is a major selling point for privacy-conscious users. Choosing Mega means opting for a service that prioritizes the confidentiality of your digital information. While no system is perfectly impenetrable, Mega's robust security features make it a more secure choice for individuals concerned about data protection. They've built a system designed to keep your information private and under your control. Considering the increasing importance of digital privacy, this is a crucial factor for many when selecting a cloud storage platform. Users considering Mega should also explore the various paid plans available, which offer higher transfer quotas and increased storage capacity. These premium plans cater to users with more demanding storage and transfer needs. By upgrading to a paid subscription, you remove the free tier limitations and gain access to a more flexible and powerful cloud storage experience. If you find the transfer quotas on the free tier too restrictive, exploring the paid options could be a worthwhile investment. Consider your specific usage patterns and requirements when evaluating the different plans, ensuring you choose the option that best suits your individual needs. Mega offers a range of subscription levels to accommodate a variety of use cases and budgets. It's important to compare these options and select the plan that provides the right balance of features and cost for your particular situation.